Good evening, Ken at Tortoise Capital with the update on the swing portfolio for March 22nd, 2018. Big sell-off day. More bad news tonight with John Bolton replacing H.R. McMaster as National Security Advisor. That is nothing but bad news. Not a good thing at all. Brace yourself for more volatility and downside pressure tomorrow as the last of the few adults leave the building in the White House. Very depressing. All right, let's go. Here we go. Alcoa, we were long and basically scratched today. No position. Apple, we're short. We're getting ready to add a second short. We're going to move our stop down to here, locking in that gain. AXP, we're short today and moved our stop down to lock it in. We're short in Boeing. As of today, moved our stop down. We'll add a second position here. We're out in Seattle right now. We took a quick tour of the Boeing manufacturing plant today, in fact. Short Caterpillar from here. Moved our stop down to here. I'm going to add a second position. Oops, excuse me. If it breaks below the PSAR low. Cisco, we are short from Wednesday. We'll add a second position here and a third position below the RL270. Short Chevron, flat Chevron. I guess I want to be short right about here. And would be willing to go long above the RL270. Short the diamonds from today. Going to move our stop down to lock it in. Add another short on continuation of weakness. I'll add a third position if it breaks below the PSAR low. Next, Devon Energy. We're still flat. I'll go long here, short there. Dow, we are short here. Going to add a second position here, moving our stop down. Be ruthless about locking it in. Emerging markets, nothing. I think I want to be ready to be short if it breaks below the PSAR. We just had the PSAR flip. So we'll put a stop right there. Euro, just flat and observing. Mexico, we were short and covered on Tuesday. Have nothing here. Brazil, we are short from here at 45.60 and added a second short here today. I'll add a third short below the Z2. We'll trail with that stop. General Electric, we are short. From here, moved our stop down to here today. Gold, just observing. Big winner in gold, but we were short on this day. Added a second short today, third short today here, and moved our stop down to lock in the three-bagger. I think I want to add a fourth one if this breaks below the PSAR flip or the Z2. I'll be monitoring that one closely. Turbo, when I'm out, I'm all out. Home Depot, we were long and covered today for a -1R. Got short in IBM today. Stop here. Let's lock that in. Latin America, we are short from here. Second short today, moving that stop down. Intel, just monitoring. It's been so strong. IWM, we're short twice today. Third position, not before this swing low here. Let me see. Yeah, I think I need to adjust that stop. Lock in at least one of them. Real estate. We had been long 1, 2, covered on Monday, or cashed on Monday, got short Wednesday, added a position Thursday, locking that in. Johnson & Johnson, we were long here, minus 1 hour here, no trade, no other position that is. Coke, we were short from here, added a second position here today, forgot the arrow, excuse me. Move our stop down. Lows, just monitoring. Boy, that is just about immune to all this volatility. It's hard to believe. McDonald's, we were long 1, 2, 3. Booked to win. Short today. Stop here. Second position at the Z2. Merck, short 1. Stops here. We'll add a second position here at the PSAR low. Microsoft, we are short 1 from here. 2 from here. Moving the stop down. Add a third one at Z2. Nike, we are short 1 from today. Lock it in. Pfizer, we took the 1 hour loss yesterday. No trading. Procter & Gamble, we were short 1 and 2 and moved our stop down. The Qs, we were long 2, 3, covered, short, second short. We'll add a third one if it breaks below the PSAR low. Moving our stop down to lock it in. Watching Schlumberger. I'll go long here or short there. Silver, just monitoring. SPY, we were short from Wednesday, added position Thursday, moved our stop to here, add a third position here if it breaks below the Z2 belly, or the belly of the 10. Treasuries got long here with a stop here, target RL270. Travelers, we were long, took a 1 hour loss, flat. I should really reinforce it. Now, if it goes further, I think I want to reinforce weakness. We'll go short here with a stop here. Tesla, we are short today with a stop here. We'll have a second position here below the PSAR low. Nothing there. The dollar Japan, excuse me. Got short Wednesday, moving the stop down to lock it in. Reinforce another, if we get another sell-off day, add a second. Oil, we were long, covered today, no trade. United Tech, we have been long, scratched, short 1, short 2, moved our stop to here. I'll add a third one here. VIX, we're long today. I need to move my stop up to here. Add a second position above the PSAR high in Z2. Verizon, we are short 1. Lock it in. Walmart, we are short from here and just monitoring, but it's almost like lows. That failure to fail is puzzling. Unless this sell from the high means that the run is over. So we're going to honor this. This will be a stop and reverse. Win, we had cashed the gains. I just missed this one altogether. If it breaks below the PSAR, we'll go short. Otherwise, nothing. Let's move this over to frame that trade. And we would place our stop above the RL270. X, we were long, fractional loss, short, second short, moving the stop down to break even. Materials, we're short 1, 2, 3, moved our stop down to here. I will add a fourth one and turbo trade the dog. Turbo trade this one carefully. Let me put it that way. Energy, we're just waiting for a breakout here or there. Financials, we are short from here. Second one, moved our stop down. Add a third one below the PSAR low down here. Industrials, we were short 1, short 2 today, moving the stop down. Add a third position down here below the PSAR low. Tech, short 1, short 2, move the stop down, lock it in, add a third one at Z2. Staples, short 1, short 2, short 3 on that one, moving the stop down, and off she goes. Utilities, just got a wide range for framing the trade, no action. I'm sorry. We were long here. My bad. I need to move that over. I missed it. Stop. We're going to move up to your 2-day low. Healthcare, short 1, 2, 3, and tighten up the stop to break even on the third one. We're going to add a fourth one if it breaks below the PSAR low. Consumer discretion, short 1, 2, tighten up the stop, add a third one below Z2. Metals and mining, short 1, short 2, tighten the stop, add a third position there. Let's clean this up. So our stop is there. Yep. ExxonMobil, we are short from here. I added a second short position today for no good reason other than it felt like it was going to fail. It never really materialized. So I've tightened up my stop pretty carefully. And back to Alcoa. So lots of positions. You follow the direction that price demands. Follow the patterns. I've had a long side bias here for a while and had to grit my teeth and take these. Didn't feel comfortable, but that's sort of the nature of the trade. All right, so let's see what the market thinks about the rodeo clown in chief as we look into potential for new volatility tomorrow based on the shakeup in the political arrangements in Washington. Please take good care out there. Take care of each other. Manage your risk.